Hello, YouTube. It is week 10, and this is literally the week after Thanksgiving. And it is cold outside, guys. I can't explain to you guys how cold it is right now, at least for me anyway. As you can tell, all fashion sense is gone. Best I can do for you guys right now is the hat. No t-shirt, none of that stuff, because I got to bundle up. It is 42 degrees right now. I just checked the weather forecast before I came out here to film this, so it's pretty cold. The thing that's kind of cool, guys, is if you look at this, you can really see now, whereas before it was a little bit harder, you can really see the difference between the Arden 15 and the Tifway 419. I mean, look at that, guys. That's still quite a bit of green there. I mean, given that we are seeing 42-degree temps, and I mean, we've had several nights where it's dropped into freezing, like well into the 30s, you know, I'm pretty impressed. So again, I'll give you guys the shot I always give you guys between my lawn and the neighbor's lawn. You can see there how most of it has fallen off for the most part. But in this area here, man, with the Arden 15 is taken really well. Look at that. Look at that color. I mean, that's still pretty good, man, for, again, like December. Because this is the weekend after Thanksgiving. So given that we are into December now, by the time you guys are seeing this, I'm pretty impressed. Color me impressed. I'll give you guys another angle around here, the tree angle. A little overcast today, so hopefully the colors show up okay in comparison to other weeks. But again, I wanted to keep my word and show you guys how the lawn is progressing. And again, I am very, very happy with how that's looking. Again, it's pretty apparent. Like in here, you can see where the Arden is kind of really set in really well. You can kind of see the splotchiness more so now than you have in past weeks, because the Tifway has really gone away from us, leaving only the Arden. So it really shows me next year when I oversee this, the areas that I need to focus on. Let me give you guys that angle that I always give you, the tree angle. So the right side over here, you can see this is all Arden. This whole section in here from the patio all up to the right side of the lawn, that did really well. I'm not sure what happened in this spot here, why this didn't take as well. Now granted, when it rains, that part of the lawn does see more runoff. Like this is literally the path that the water takes when it rains heavily. So it could be that I had some issues with the seed just not staying in that area long enough. But next year, I've got a better plan for getting better germination, so we'll see how well that works. But overall, guys, I mean, again, if you can look aside from the color differences, I know for people like Frankie and some of you guys that are really sticklers, it's probably driving you nuts seeing the different color. But really imagine this next year, once I oversee it again and I fix these problem areas, the lawn's gonna be green into December. Pretty awesome. All right, let's continue on. You see Alex's lawn also looking pretty good as well. Let me get you guys over here to the swale area, show you how that is doing. Again, maintaining its color pretty even. I'm not sure what happened with the soil area, why it has maintained its color so much better than certain splotchy spots of the lawn, like the back lawn. But you know, whatever, I'll take it. And we can see Alex's lawn, again, doing pretty well. The vanity strip is falling off fairly nicely. And then, of course, I can't deny you guys the front lawn. The best looking part of the lawn now. You can see the color is very, very even on the front. Overall, again, I'm pretty happy with that. I can't complain too much. And you guys will notice, as you guys will notice if you've been watching the series, is the tree has been trimmed, guys. So no more trash talk about me not taking care of the shrubs. I mean, granted, it was kind of a hack job. I went kind of hard on it. I did hit it, you know, pretty heavy-handed, but it'll grow back, it'll fill in, and I'll do a better job next season about not letting it get this far gone. But at least it's a lot, it's cut back quite a bit, and that's gonna allow the grass around it to do a better job, because it was starting to kill the grass because of all the shade that it's putting down. So happy about that. You know, shrub trimmed. The front lawn does not look like it has no owner. And again, give you guys one last pan here of the front. The thing with the front, guys, it's really cool. Again, even as the temperatures are falling, right now, again, it is 42 degrees. It's all of 42 degrees. You can hear the wind kicking. And the color is pretty even. Color's pretty even. To close out, let me show you guys what I'm about to do next. You guys know how I am. You guys know I always tell you guys how I'm living that carbon life. And it was easy for me to say that, but I gotta show you guys proof. Like once I get done filming this, which is gonna be next minute or two here, I'm about to throw down 4 bags or 160 pounds of Carbon Pro G. I made pilgrimage to Site 1 this past weekend, where the fine folks there were kind enough to sell me you know, 4 bags of their product that I'm a huge fan of. Again, I'm gonna be putting this down at the heavier rate. You can see on my Earthway, I'm set to 23, 24 thereabouts, which is the heavier rate for Carbon Pro G. And yeah, pretty excited, guys, pretty excited. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna put this camera away before it gets too much windier, and get out there and put the carbon down, like you guys posted. Hey, if you guys are enjoying this, if you guys want to see how the lawn progresses, I know we are at week 10 at this point, and my plan was really only to do this until the end of November, but I mean, the lawn still hasn't fully gone dormant yet. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys still want me to continue making these weekly so you guys can track the progress? You can see when this guy goes fully dormant, like how long it actually takes Arden 15 to go dormant. If you do, leave me a comment below, drop me a comment. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I'll continue filming these weekly. It's not that hard to do, but I didn't want to continue bombarding you guys with like depressing Bermuda dormancy content if you really don't want to see it. But I'll just wait to share in the comments, and you guys will decide. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not yet a subscriber, consider subscribing. The live stream is going to kick up again here starting this Friday, so look forward to interacting with you guys on that. Hope all of you guys had a great, fun, and safe Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.